morning guys. So we are about to check out na from Aboza Resort and lilipat ako sa isa sa mga go-to hotels ko here in Boracay, doon sa Bulabog area, and makikita niyo siya later. So ayun guys, I will see you in our next hotel. Hello guys, so We are back in Fera Premier Hotel and nakapag-check-in na ako. Ready na yung room ko actually kanina pa, even before check-in time. And ayun, we just had our lunch dun sa Smooth Cafe na akala ko nag-take over sila dun sa Black Attic previously. Pero parang expansion pala. Meron pa ring Smooth Cafe sa Station 1 and parang sister cafe niya yun. So ayun, ang sarap ng chicken cordon bleu nila. And yung iced tea ko na parang butterfly tea, hindi ko siya masyado na-enjoy dahil parang ice water lang. Parang ang ganda lang talaga ng color niya pero parang walang lasa. So ayun, ang init sa labas, oh my god, parang kanina pawis na pawis ako pagbalik ko dito sa room. So ayun, medyo nagpalamig lang ako ng slide bago ako humarap sa camera. Dahil talagang parang nahagard ako sa paglalakad ng tanghaling tapat. And ayun, let's do a quick room tour. So ayun guys, pagpasok nyo, ayan, merong malaking mirror dyan, pang fit check nyo, perfect. And then, meron tayong sariling dito, parang modem or router para mabilis yung Wi-Fi. And then, we have a free 2 bottles of water here. Merong coffee and tea, may cups and glass, and may small water kettle tayo dyan. We also have a mini fridge here. Ayan. And a very huge closet space. Oh my god. Look. Ayan, perfect. And then maraming hangers, guys. We have a safety deposit box and then hair dryer. And actually, I only booked a standard room pero in-upgrade tayo to a deluxe room. Thank you so much, Abby, for always upgrading my room when I stay here at Fera. So ayan, we have a queen size bed. And then, a huge TV here. We have a big working station as well. Ayan, perfect kung may dala kayong work. Kung remote worker din kayo like me. So, ayan, perfect yan. And we have this very nice round na couch na parang, actually parang ang ganda niyang pang lounge kung nasa outdoor. Pero, inside a room, ang ganda rin niya. Medyo space consuming lang, pero it's really nice. And for the bathroom, guys, we have a faucet there. Meron din tayong toilet with bidet. And then, andyan yung towels and free toiletries na provided. And meron silang hot shower. And ayun guys, parang isa to sa mga hotels na lagi kong binabalikan sa Boracay. Dahil very affordable siya, yet the service is parang pang 5-star talaga. And very hospitable, warm, and friendly yung mga staff dito. And ayun, they will help you as much as they can. So ayun guys, I highly recommend this one if magbabarakay kayo. Nandito siya sa may Bulabog area. It's not beachfront, pero very walking distance lang yung D-Mall. Actually, parang siguro mga 200 meters or something like that. Basta parang 5 to 7 minute walk lang siya away. And then, nandun na kayo sa may BPI and then D-Mall. Ayun, very convenient pa rin ang location niya. And if gusto nyo ring mag-explore sa back beach area, mag-activities like kite surfing, dito siya malapit guys. And yung mga bagong cafes din sa Bulabog, if gusto nyo i-explore, perfect magstay dito sa hotel na to. So that's it for our very quick room tour. And lalabas ulit tayo dahil nasa cafe na yung mga friends ko. I will meet them there. And I will see you there as well guys. Good evening guys, it's almost 11 p.m. na and natapos na yung work ko kanina pa pero nagpahinga muna ako dito sa room dahil ang sarap ng bed dito sa Fera Hotel and malamig din yung AC so ayun nakakatamad talaga lumabas pero since Friday night ngayon and medyo nagugutom ako, tara samahan niyo ako mag late dinner sa labas. Good morning guys, let's grab a quick breakfast muna. And we are good to go na guys. Mag-a-avail kami today ng friends ko ng favorite and only activity na ginagawa ko sa Boracay Island. Yung day pass sa Movenpick Resort and Spa. So I will see you there in a short while. And ang sarap ng breakfast natin kahit a la carte lang. And mostly Filipino and meron din namang mga parang continental choices. Pero very feeling and ang ganda ng view nyo, very relaxing na nasa poolside. So ayun, yun pa rin yung isa sa mga favorite experiences ko dito sa Fera Hotel. So ayun guys, I will see you later sa Movenpick. Hello again guys, so we made it here sa Movenpick Resort and Spa Boracay. Nag-avail na tayo ng day pass nila which is 2,000 pesos to have access here sa buong resort including facilities like the pool and spa, and meron tayong consumable worth 1,600 pesos, so not bad na talaga. Good evening guys. So we are back here in the hotel after a very fun and productive sa pagko-content na day in Movenpick Resort. And ayun, so nice to be back in a made-up room and super gutom na ako. Yung last meal pa natin is yung chocolate buffet. And nag-drinks lang tayo right after. So ayun, talagang halos wala rin na tayong dinner pa. So, ayun, kakain na ako for now and mag-good night na rin ako sa inyo. Tomorrow will be our last full day here in Boracay and sana marami pa tayo mapuntahan na interesting or nice and new cafes na ma-include ko dito sa vlog. And good night for now guys. I will see you tomorrow.